In today's video, we are doing a raspberry sunset summer delight for a dessert. It's gonna have oranges, raspberry, surprise, not. We're gonna have some sugar and mint. Nothing speaks of summer like mint. With that, let's get into it. I am wearing purple. It's a GCU shirt. You cannot see the GCU, but it is a GCU shirt. Our son has committed in a non-committal way to go to GCU for his college studies. So you go around the orange and you go around the orange in the other way, and it creates quarters, and we then just use the knife, lift it up, and you're able to then create a super easy peel. How brilliant is this to peeling a orange? Perfect. We then get our raspberries and we just cut them in half. And we just chop up the mint. Yeah, we chop the mint up, and adding sugar to the mint and cutting up the mint, it actually creates a mild syrup from the juices of the leaves, and it becomes just beyond delicious. And we then chop it up again. There we go, and I'm just going to show you over here how you can actually see how it's actually got so much liquid. Oh, and the smell is amazing. So the South Africanism for this video is lekker. So what is lekker? Lekker is nice, it's great, it's amazing, and it will be truly lekker for you guys to subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up. We've got our plate. You can see how it's just been sliced up, nothing too chaotic. Just decorate the plate a little bit. How beautiful does this look? This screams spring and summer. A delightful looking plate. It's a super light dessert. If you don't want to use raspberries, you can substitute it for pomegranates. So any fruit that is red in color, you'll be able to substitute it, as the red, the green, and the orange really work well together. The mint and the sugar, the raspberry, the orange. Wow, it's just such a smooth, soft, sweet taste. Whenever we have made this dessert and people have come to visit us, they rave about this. As you can see, it is super easy, and you will never ever have anyone turning around and going, that wasn't such a great dessert. Awesome summer wow dessert. And with that, catch you guys on the next one.